Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mr. Bashir, and you can call me Mr. Bash. I'm here to present to you a new topic, and it is part of the Phonics family, and I'm here to introduce this. I'm standing on the platform of CIA, Cambodia Intellectuals Academy, to take you through the Phonics steps. And before I can start, I think it is very important for us to understand what we normally do in the morning whenever we come to school. And I'll take this short time to take you through some exercise so that you be familiar with the new topic that will be introduced today. And it is a very short song that will lead you into the new topic. And it goes like this. My name is letter E. My sound is E, E. My name is letter E. My sound is E, E. Everybody, my name is letter E. My sound is E. Okay, thank you very much. Put your hands together. I think today we are going to talk about the new topic, as we have already discussed or learned previous topics like letter A, B, C, D, and today is E. I will have something here to show you, and this is what we are going to talk about today. This is letter E, but our main focus is going to be on the lowercase, and this is the uppercase E. Then the lowercase will also have a different sound, and the sound is what we are going to use to identify some of the photos that will be shown later. As I've already said, our focus will be on the lowercase e, and that is going to lead us to be able to pronounce some of the names that will be mentioned. This is E. This one is E. That's the upper. The lowercase is E. This is E. We are going to focus on this, as I've already said. This photo, as you can see, egg. If we follow this sound, if you follow this sound, egg, We have the next photo. This is elephant. Say it. Elephant. Again. elephant. One more. Elephant. We go back to the lowercase. The sound is eh. Eh. If we want to pronounce this, we say eh. Elephant. Elephant. Eh. Elephant. Eh. Elephant. Say it after me. Eh. Elephant. Eh. Elephant. We also have another photo here. This is elbow. Elbow. Everybody. Elbow. 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 That is this part of our hand. We call it elbow. Elbow. So as you can see on the photo, is elbow. Elbow. When we go to this side, we will take the sound which is eh, 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 elbow, eh, elbow, eh, elbow. Yeah, we continue with the letter E, as I've already mentioned. E. Our focus is on the lowercase one, which is E. E. Egg. 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 Say it again. Thank you. Let's move to the second one. E. Elephant. 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 E. E. Elephant. Elephant. E. E. Elbow. E. Elbow. E. Elbow. Okay. Now, let's see what we can have here. I have this name with me. Which part of this photo should this name be pasted? Yeah? Okay. Put your hands behind. Good. The second portion. Okay. Okay, now I need another person. Yes. Huntai. Which? Okay. The first one. Okay. Okay. The last one. Who can try? Okay, Sana. Okay, this one. Okay. The last one. The last one will be here. Okay. Put your hands together for yourself. You have done well. You have all done well. You have all done well. So, I think if we have to go over again for you to be updated and remind yourself about the letter E and some of the photos attached, it is very important for you to understand that the uppercase is E, the lowercase is F. So we are using the lowercase to be able to pronounce these photos. Egg, elephant, elbow, and we have their names attached to them so that it will be easier for you to go through it whenever you are at home. I think this is where time will permit us. I will encourage you to visit our website, the YouTube channel of CIA, the Facebook and other social media platform that is linked with CIA for you to get updates, and we shall have a lot of interesting videos, educative ones, funny ones, which will make your education improve. One of the important aim of Intellectual Academy, Cambodia Intellectual Academy, is to help you to improve upon your English language, and teachers are here to help you. Thank you very much.